Hey guys, Nimisha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Um, let's take a look at the markets. It's the kind of last days of the month, so proceed with caution. Let me check that my OBS is not glitching. We're good, so let's go. Let's go. It's a break. I think like Binance is more, futures was more precise this time. It showed here on Binance futures. There was a tick. But what's the USDT on Coinbase? No, right? Yeah. What's the perpetual futures? USDT. Okay, never mind. Just following around. So we're in a break. We're going down, but we're not going down. You know what I mean? Yes. There's here, and then break and up. Twisting and curling. I think this is better. But now with this new table, I'm getting like too close to oops, to the monitor. So we have it's closing and a break. So it'll be a break in a 5 minutes time. In 5 minutes time. Yeah, like this. Ain't nobody loves me back. Yeah. Beautiful 0.5, but in the beginning it was not even close to uh, closing a break. It was manipulating. It's still manipulating officially at this level. It's gonna break it. And it was unvolumed. Yeah. And this looks like an exhaustion. The T1. Yeah, it looks like it wants to break. It looks like it wants to reverse in 5 minutes. However, on hour, it looks like it wants to break. And when time frames give us controversial, contradicting signals, what do we do? Great. Stay away. So break and this, and then break again. It consolidates. Based off daily, it looks more like that it wants to break this level, but we do not forecast or gamble. We measure the probabilities, and when we see an overweight of probability, we enter the market in its direction for as long as the probability pertains. Previous T2 is probably here. Yeah, so that will be the level to watch. However, by the time it comes here, most likely it's going to close in correction. Yeah. June, that was the level. And that's where it broke it. It's also a break, and it's good for continuation of the trade. There is no context on higher time frame whatsoever. The liquidity on this, but maybe perpetual future is better. Wait. And there was a break and then it went down, and now it's just extended level of this. Could have worked. Of the creek. So we went here. In this happened. It doesn't matter. Exactly. Well, technically that's allowed. If you want to be specific. If you want to be specific. If you want to be my lover. There was a test level here, but then it broke it. So all these are hallucinations. It's just a ruthless neutral zone of the superior time frame, no man lands. According to my trading coach, that was a massive hallucination of mine, and ever since here, this level should be just dropped. There's still a context direction down, but no. That was valid here, maybe here, but after it broke and went here, all the way up to the T2. That's our levels. Bink. This 0.5, is it worth anything? Not really. Like, why is it even here? Yeah, it's in no man's land again. So maybe something in 5 minutes, but okay, we are at the level. Wow, it's too far. And it's a break anyway, so you need levels in the whole shebang. Balance. And it's a break, so again, the whole thing needs to calm down. Oops. Yeah. Technically it's a break, but it's all the wrong. Yeah. It looks more like a break than. What was the break here? Wasn't it? It was. And then it confirmed. Yeah, so here was the change of direction. And then boom, and boom. Something like that. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. That already changed to reverse and start like spinning around. I don't think it's a really good idea to trade a continuation of the trend, especially with this volume. Yeah, doesn't look like a good idea to me. Bro, need to get out. Pfizer is there, but also in 2 days we'll be having a closed manipulation signal. Yeah, so send it to Dagestan. Actually, it's Dagestan, it's not Dagestan. Q's. Spy. Probably, yo, Dune. It worked all the way. It worked. No context on months though. Wait, my sound is down again. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. All right. Never mind. Booms. Uh, Look how it bumped from 0.5. Still looks like it wants to go down, but I'm gonna close on a break. Wait, that's what we have now. McDonald's. Oof. This guy just goes. The heck is that? Why was it even? It's a continuation of the trend apparently. With uh, 0.5 like this. Well, does look like this more so, but technically speaking, since that was not a transition extremum, was the range. I'm sorry. Maybe new transition extremum here. Continuation of the trend. Yep. No, something like that. Is that I'm gonna go? Start my day. You know my regiment. Boom at 20. Yeah. One lower. There's no way I could have traded. Is what I have, is the tools I have. Unvolumed and then weird stuff. Same dealio. But it's already reached a daily level, so I need transition extreme and the whole shebang. And that went down as well. Dun. Nothing. Okay, just teased me. Okay, you guys trade responsibly on your own, never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself. Take care.